The era of one-size-fits-all approach is officially over. Customers expect a highly relevant experience everywhere online. So you're probably wondering, how do you segment your visitors in an effective yet simple way? In this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using OptiMonk targeting rules. Before we get into it, let's cover the basics first. Segmenting your audience and displaying a different message to each segment will help you create more personalized customer experience. OptiMonk has countless targeting options to empower you to dissect your website traffic into smaller visitor segments. If you are an online seller, these segments could be active visitors, returning visitors, and just purchased visitors. But if you also build email or SMS lists, you might want to focus on non-subscribers or new homepage visitors. These segments can be defined by a specific set of targeting rules that, let's be honest, might be intimidating for new users. That's why we recommend predefined segment for each template based on its goal. You may want to keep these, modify them, get rid of them, or add new conditions. You can also save a set of targeting rules and create a custom segment to reuse in future campaigns. When you look at the targeting rules more closely, you can see that conditions are grouped into 3 different categories. You can decide when you want your campaign to show up based on time and context, visitor attributes, and page or custom rules. Let's look at the time and context first. It's always a good idea to set a frequency condition to avoid annoying your visitors by displaying the same campaign repeatedly. Here, you can define the maximum amount of times you want your campaign to appear to a visitor with at least, let's say, 2 hours between appearances. Another handy rule that I already mentioned allows you to decide whether to shoot the campaign to new or returning visitors. Simply select one of the two and hit save. The country selector condition is useful, for example, if you offer free shipping only to certain countries. You can include or exclude any countries here. On the pages and custom rules, you can find behavior-based targeting options. For instance, if your visitor is visiting a given page of your site, like a product page, you can have your campaign appear only on that specific URL with the current page rule. I recommend using contain/doesn't contain option here to keep things simple. Let's say we have a product page called /USA-t-shirt. So I'll simply add the end of the URL here if I want my campaign to be shown only this specific page. I saved the best for last. The most powerful option I'll show you today, the cart rules. If your OptiMonk account is linked to your Shopify or any other store we have direct integration with, this feature will work automatically and empower you to recover a significant percentage of abandoned carts. Let's use cart value in our example and select greater than $29. With this rule, you can offer free shipping only above a certain cart value, offer a discount or free product above a certain number of products, and use an array of techniques to make sure you close the deal, but only if your customers are willing to make a big spend. I hope you found this lesson helpful. These are the settings that will help you make the most out of your on-site customer journey.